First, that is what? 3 units of C3. C3. Okay. So the fourth number is 4 also. The third number is 4 also. Second number is 2, 4, 4, and the first number is, we double request on 3.
Malipindot kasi
4 digits third digit is 0. The second digit is 1. And the first digit is 0. Si Rex John Doe.
John Doe.
Getting excited.
Third unit.
Okay, the third unit, the last unit for the third prize. And the fourth number is number 7.
Yes! Yes!
And the third number is 0.
Yes!
Second number is 5. Okay.
4, 5. Kapitan 0, 7. Kapitan
4507. Pinumero Bisana.
Bisana naman, dalawa naman.
Kapitan.
4, 5.
Pero hindi ako makakita.
Second of the second prize. And the fourth digit is 3.
Hanggang first digit lang.
Parang isang digit lang ang pinili. Third number is
Hanggang isang digit.
6. The second number is 6. Ito na. 3. 3, 6. 6.
3663.
Emma. Emma.
Merlinda Perelio.
Happy birthday. Brother. Brother.
Saan yan?
Okay.
Ito na yan.
One and
Yun na.
Okay. For the laptop, first prize. Okay. Fourth number is
Lagi tayo sa third. Saka. Second saka first.
8. Third number is 9. 98. The second number, second digit, is 5. 0.
Sayang.
Balikan mo na cellphone. Mas mahal to.
Okay, so since tapos na ang raffle,
Kasama ang ating mga prizes.
let's have our... Siguro before we end, let's have some closing remarks from our president. And then we'll have a closing prayer to be led by Sir Luke. Then after that, making hand, there's a...
Normally, in our parties, the opening remarks or the welcoming remarks is the president. The vice president is the closing. Normally, so let's go with the norm. Let's. Pagkatapos ng ako ni nagawa ng picture ko na, and then after that, ay kita mo na patlak ko na, ulit ko ito pag-impos.
Well, pleasant evening to everyone. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. First of all, we should give credit probably to our beloved President, the birth and the today seems to be very, very successful. And also the place that we are holding our Christmas party is through the courtesy of Captain Weber. So, Manila Chapter, Philippine Christian University Alumni Association Manila Chapter is very much indebted to Captain Weber Bisana. Thank you very much. Hopefully, next year, more people should come. So we encourage each and every one of us to sit for just patingting their computer. We have a Facebook account probably, so you can invite everyone. We give thanks to our Lord for giving us another year of being here with you. Sana tuloy-tuloy na ito because our mission is to help other people who are in need, especially through education. Right now, the proceeds of our raffles will go directly to the student scholar. We have one scholar. As of now, we have one scholar. A scholar. What year is she now? Second year education, taking education in Philippine Christian University. So hopefully, hindi na isa kung everybody is involved, baka marami pa tayo matulungan na underprivileged individual, lalo na ng mga Christian, anak ng brothers and sisters. So, Merry Christmas to all, and may your going home is safe, and next year, we will see each other again, hopefully. Thank you very much.